Sir, the VIP is secure. Perimeter is also secure. But enemy forces are closing in and inbound.
Oh shit, not good.
Aloha, bitches.
You men are supposed to be protecting me. What the hell is going on here? Dear God. Finally crawled out of the sewers where you've been hiding.
Mr. President, still trampling the Constitution with your vaunted Patriot Act?
I do what I have to do to protect civilians from lunatics like you.
Fascist.
You'll answer for this, Paige. You were born a citizen of the greatest country in the world, but you chose to become a traitor and a terrorist.
Terrorist? Really? Last time I checked, you coined the phrase shock and awe. Striking fear into the heart of your enemies sure sounds like terrorism to me.
Sir, we're losing ground. The military has penetrated our defenses. We're getting close.
That's inconvenient. I suppose if you want it done right, you have to do it yourself. Take the hostage to the extraction zone. I'll prepare a reception for our guests. Demolition team, proceed to the press conference room. Rig the thickened pyrophoric agent, and let's give them a taste of Seattle.
Acknowledged. Moving in.
Heads up! Frag out! Under fire!
Bruh.
Engage the pigs! Got us a bunch of
Bruh.
scurrying around.
Fire!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
We've got the subs.
Bruh.
I want to see some gunshots. Make them suffer. Maintain position.
Another takedown! That's the kill!
Page, we're in position. But the enemy breached our location. Requesting support while we set up the explosives.
Fuck's sake. I'm a little preoccupied here. Okay, I'm en route.
Keep suppressing
I
their
need more
position!
bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
Behind cover! Flag them! Holy shit! No! Reloading my weapon!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
Good aim! Street! It's Page! Take him out! Concentrate fire on Page!
Page, we need some backup. We're being swarmed and can't break the bomb.
Run, little fascists.
Where are you, Page?
Damn it, be quiet. The man can't hear himself thinking here. in Rome, sack and burn.
Switching clip!
I'll take point. Rig the charges. Set the bomb while I deal with the scum.
Cover me!
Little fascist pigments.
Tango killed! Hostile eliminated! Grenade! The explosives are ready. We need you to enter the cone. Charge free. You need to enter the activation code. Need some cover fire! Fire!
Set the timer.
Holy shit! Timer is activated.
Suppress the enemy. I want the walls to drip with blood.
Understood.
Hostage team, are you in position?
Sir, we have the VIP and we're near the exit.
Understood. Follow the plan. A futile gesture.
Sir, we're losing ground and the enemy has breached our perimeter.
Okay. IEDs at choke points will slow them down. Placing an IED. Let's see them try to reach the helo pad after this goes off. Another IED here. That'll slow the cockroaches down. Hostage team, sit rep.
Sir, we're approaching the extraction zone. Helo is inbound.
Affirmative. On my way. Move up. Shoot those parasites.
I'm changing clip!
Hold position.
Hostile down! Someone get a frag on me! Son of a bitch!
Gut them like the animals they are.
Enemy neutralized! Range has been spotted!
Keep them at bay. We need to leave this place with the president. No. Keep suppressing their position.
That's a kill! I need to
Stand your ground. Not one step back. That should buy me enough time.
Enemy at 12 o'clock! What the? You're right! What the fuck are you doing?
Sacrificing a few men for the good of the world. I will remember you as heroes.
Sir, transport has arrived.
Question is, how long before some mountain-leaping alpha male hero comes lumbering after me?
We need to extract the package now!
On my way. I have some body bag filler to move through here. A little tricky.
We just received an update. They managed to disarm the bomb.
Leave a few guards behind to slow down the enemy. Let's get the livestock on the transport.
your death warrant, Page.
Actually, I've demonstrated your weakness.